Time now for the Midlands Retirement Report. Now, you know that a shopping list isn't the same thing as a recipe. Pat Strube is the founder of Preservation Specialists. And Pat, that analogy, the same thing is true for our finances. Having a list of assets is not the same thing as having a retirement plan. Tell us a little bit more.
Yeah, I think this is a great analogy that you've created for us, Jen. And the idea that we all have stuff financially, and we like to call it your financial junk drawer, because most of us don't ever have a plan with it. We just become grown-ups and then we have to have it, right? We get a car, we have car insurance. We have a home, we have homeowners insurance. We have a 401k, we have health insurance. All these things happen, and then you get statements and you toss it in somewhere. And then if someone says, what's your financial plan? What do? You just pull the drawer out and say, here it is. Like, there's nothing working together. So the recipe for all of your foods that you're buying would be the equivalent of your financial plan. And really what we're trying to do there is that plan is trying to tell you, like your recipe, how much and what order to use the ingredients. We want to do the same thing with all of those things that you have, that you've worked so hard for during your working years to create a great retirement.
And a really good first step is learning more about all these different assets and then what we can do with them. You have some resources to help us with that.
Yeah, we've put together a retirement rescue kit, and this really has some great resources that can provide you information on how to plan for retirement. If you're already retired, how to make the most of your retirement, how to invest those assets for retirement, generating income, and then we are really concerned about taxes in the future. So how do we protect you from tax increases to keep your taxes as low as absolutely possible?
So call, click, or text to get that retirement rescue kit from Pat and the team. They'll get that right out to you. That is this week's Midlands Retirement Report.